Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mossbeau. So today we're going to be having an eyeliner tutorial. Like a few of my friends have asked me if I could do a video on how I do my eyeliner, which I find very hard in a way that usually when I'm doing my eyeliner I don't like to talk, so that I need the full attention, but I'm going to try and make you guys understand. However, if I'm not doing a lot of talking, just watch what I am doing, and I'm sure with a few practice you guys can actually get it. So what I like to use is a gel liner. This is my favorite gel liner, the Inglot 77 gel liner. See, it is very black, as you can see. So a lot of people always say that their gel liner always dries up. Like as with every other gel liner, this also too, sometimes gets very dry. But the solution I have for anybody who has a gel liner that dries off, this is Duraline Inglots or Inglot Duraline mixing liquid. This stuff is very good. This is like your best solution if you have a gel liner that dries off. Just try to buy this. Like I already put a few inside. I don't know if you can say, just a drop or two is enough to revive your gel liner, trust me. Also, I like to use a brush like this to draw my gel liner. For liners, it has to do with precision, so I love to use this small brush and it won't be all over the place. That's really why I like it. This is the Inglot 23T brush. Like this brush, I've been using this brush since maybe like 4 years ago. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, like 4 years now, and it's still as strong as anything. So I like to dip into my gel liner like so, like very little, because really a little goes a long way. And what I like to do first is draw like a line first. And you want to be very careful. Like if you want to do this, try as much as possible to this part should be where you like delve your hand into, and by the time you are going outward, just try and release your hands. Like honestly, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I pray you guys just understand, because now that we have that, that's like a guide for us. Then I go onto my lid. Now your lid, depending on how thick, some people have very small eyes and they want their eyeliner to be very thin. So depending on my mood at that time, I would not say you should do a thin or a fat eyeliner. So I go onto my lid. Can you see how I've done my lid? Now what I usually do is come to the middle of this wing right here. I just connect from here to this place. Literally, that's what I do. I don't come to the edge here, I come to the middle. Can you see? So now that I have connected both of them, then I fill in this small part right here. I fill it up. I usually like to stretch my eyes a bit so I can get the precise then I just go back to this. I didn't know how to explain that. Honestly, I really just didn't know how to explain it. I hope you guys can see. Then you just do then I just do my final touch. You see why I like a very small brush, because it just helps with precision basically. Another mistake that people make is they try to correct eyeliner. if you feel that you have gotten a good one, you know, sometimes you already feel, oh, this is a good one, but you can still do more, you can still do more. That's where you begin to spoil it. If you feel that, oh, this is okay, just stop and continue with whatever thing you want to do. That's the trick with eyeliner. Eyeliners are so, I don't know, you just feel you are not doing it right, and you just keep adding and adding and adding, and you just make a mess of it, you know. So I think this is okay for me. I just go back and just, you know, dip in it. And I think that's just what I want, because I want a very simple look today. I don't want to go overboard with my liner, so this is very okay as far as I'm concerned. And what I usually do is I use this gel liner as well in my waterline, so I'm just going to be using that in my waterline. Like, it's just very easy. Can you guys see? It's like, I love this brush. This brush, oh. Can you see? There you have it. It's just giving you a clean, and with this you don't need to smudge and all of that. Look at my cat eyes, girl. Just look at that. I'm just going to go fix my eyelashes off camera, and I'll be right back. And there you have it. It is not easy and it is not hard. It's just in between. Like, you just need time to practice, and it's not even about practicing. I think it's more of taking your time whenever you are doing your gel liner, and don't over add black and black and black and black. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. Like I always tell you, makeup is all about practice. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, please, so that you will not miss any of my updates. And don't forget to like this, please. I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye. Stay beautiful.